In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find ChatGPT traffic in Google Analytics. If you're interested in measuring how much traffic ChatGPT is sending to your website, Google Analytics makes it possible to identify those visits through the Traffic Acquisition Report. This can help you understand how visitors are discovering your content and whether traffic coming from ChatGPT is contributing to your website's performance. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through the process from start to finish. To begin, open Google Analytics and make sure you've selected the correct property. The home page is the best place to confirm that you're viewing the right website or app before analyzing any data. If you manage multiple properties, take a moment to verify the property name so you're reviewing the correct analytics information. Next, move to the navigation menu on the left side of the screen and click Reports. This section contains Google Analytics standard reports, making it easy to explore visitor activity, traffic sources, and overall website performance. Within Reports, expand the available report categories by selecting the appropriate section in the menu. Once the additional reports are visible, click Traffic Acquisition. This report focuses on sessions, showing where visitors originated before arriving on your website. It's one of the most useful reports when you're trying to identify referral traffic from specific sources, including ChatGPT. After the Traffic Acquisition Report loads, locate the primary dimension above the data table. By default, it may display a category such as Session Primary Channel Group. Click the dimension selector and change it to Session Source.medium. This provides more detailed information about where your traffic originated and how Google Analytics categorized each visit. Now move to the search or filter box located above the report table. Click inside the field and type ChatGPT. As you enter the search term, the report will automatically filter the displayed rows, making it easier to identify any traffic associated with ChatGPT. If no results appear immediately, try shortening the search term to Chat. This may help reveal entries that use slightly different source names or labeling conventions within Google Analytics. Once you locate the matching rows, review the available metrics in the report. You can examine the number of sessions, engagement statistics, and any conversion metrics displayed in the table. These insights help you understand how visitors from ChatGPT interact with your website and how valuable that traffic is compared to other sources. That's all there is to it. You've successfully learned how to locate ChatGPT traffic in Google Analytics by opening the Traffic Acquisition Report, switching the primary dimension to Session Source.medium, filtering for ChatGPT-related sources, and reviewing the available performance metrics. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel,